I'm Anil Kumar, and here's a practice test for you to write numbers as decimal tens, hundreds, or thousands. So we need to write 6,000, 10,000s, 300s, 7 tenths, 10 and 20,000s, 2 and 300s, 5 and 6 tenths, 22 tens as numbers in decimals with tens, hundreds, and thousands, right? Let me make a correction, 6,000s. Now you can pause the video, answer your question, and then look into my suggestion. I'll suggest, as we have done in previous videos, you should take help of fractions to write numbers. For example, 6,000s can be written as 6 over 1,000, and that really means 0.006, right? So that is the decimal equivalent as a decimal number to thousandths place. Now we'll use place value chart, which will make our job simpler, right? So let me draw these lines to represent the place values for each number. So first I'll draw these lines, and then we will see what they represent. Okay, let me draw one here. Now since we are looking into thousands place, let us say this is 1 out of 1,000. This place value is 1 out of 100. Then we have 1 out of 10. And then we have a decimal point, right? And here we have ones, tens, hundreds, right? So that is how our place value chart is. Let me draw a line here. And the first number is 6,000ths. So 6 will come in thousands place. There it goes. And rest places will be filled with zeros, correct? It's always good to write 0 before decimal. So 0.006 is 6,000ths. I think that's a good beginning. And now you can pause and write answers for rest of the questions. Okay, let's continue. 10,000ths, that means the number 10 comes here ending at thousands, and we are placing zeros with decimal point. 300ths, so that is hundreds position, and 3 number will come here, and before that we can put as many zeros with the decimal, right? 7 tenths, so that means after decimal the first position is tenths, which is for 7. So that is 7 tenths. Then we have 10 and 20,000ths. So 10 comes and means decimal, right? So wherever we write and, it means a decimal point. So 10 comes before decimal point. So that's the decimal. So we are doing 10 before decimal and means decimal. 20,000ths. So 20 will end in thousands place. So it is 20,000ths. Do you see that? So it should be a 0 in between. So 10.020. 2 and 300ths. So 2 is before decimals. So we write 2 here, decimal. And 300ths. So hundreds place has 3. Before that I'll put 0. 2 and 300ths. 5 and 6 tenths. So that means 5 and 6 tenths. 22 tenths. That's tricky. Think like this. 22 divided by 10 will give me 2.2. Now when I say 22 tenths, number 22 should end at tens position. So we have 22 like this. And of course a decimal point here. We get the same result. I hope with this the concept is absolutely clear. I'm Anil Kumar. You can subscribe to my videos and learn more about similar topics. Thank you and all the best.